Hi and welcome to this first Ninja van life video. I'm doing some tests today on my smoothie maker to see how much energy we're going to use and how much it takes out of the Bluetti power bank. So first of all, it's a matter of getting prepped, and we are prepped. So we've got our Bluetti Elite 100. It is charged and ready at 100%. Nothing else on there. We've got our Ninja Smoothiemaker. One button press smoothie. That's all ready to go. And the important bit, we've got the ingredients. Nice Ninja special smoothie ingredient coming up here. So we've got our avocado, got lime, our organic apple, orange and pears to go in the smoothie. We've also got some awesome vegan protein works powder. Add a bit of protein. We've got a bag of mixed seeds, various seeds in there, and just a little bit more sweetness. We've got some lovely what are they? Organic dried goji berries ready to go. Okay, so we're ready, we're prepped, we've got all the ingredients. Let's get them chopped, let's get them prepped, and we'll give the Ninja Smoothiemaker a test on its energy usage. Be back in a bit. Okay, so we've got ingredients are chopped and ready to go. This is a 750ml container for the Ninja. It's just about right for the size of smoothies that I want. I split it up over 2 days. So I've just got to get the seeds and the goji berries and the protein powder and the water in there, and we'll be good to go. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, everything's in place, we're ready to go. Let's start switching things on. I just wanted to mention first, this is a 1000 watt, 1 kilowatt Ninja Smoothiemaker running on 240 amps in the UK. So let's get the Bluetti powered up. And we'll get the AC switched on. Excellent, we can see the Ninja's lit up, ready to go. And let's press the smoothie button. And it's going to be a bit loud for a minute or so. And we shall see how the Bluetti discharges as it runs for this minute. If we actually see anything, I would be very surprised if we didn't. Here we go. Okay, so the Bluetti was, I don't know if you could see on display, peaking at about 900 watts. With the smoothie maker still switched on, it still has a drain of about 57 watts. Just powering it up. And we lost about 1% of the Bluetti power. So at that rate, we've got another 99 smoothies to go. Awesome. I imagine that will be a bit less than that So I'll have to check in the Bluetti app and see if it recorded the power usage and see if there's any more details in there, and if so, I'll post somewhere that there's comments for this video. So that is the test of the Bluetti powering the Ninja via AC power for one smoothie. That's the first Ninja van life video done, in the can, or at least in the smoothie maker. Catch you next time.